Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be unboxing the Cynics electric kettle. So join me as I unbox it so you see what's inside. This right here cost about 6,000 naira, I think. Yeah, 6,050 naira on Jumia. So it's very much affordable. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. First, we get the user manual. Then this. And then this. Alright, I think that is everything inside the box. So let's dive in the contents now. Okay, so this is the base of the heater. Let's lose the rope and see how long it is. And this is the kettle itself. And for this kettle to work, you're going to take the bottom of this and then fix it to the base. This top right here on this base, you're going to make sure that it's connecting to the under of the kettle, just like this. So you place it down and then you keep the kettle on top of it. That's all. And you can turn it as you want while it's still working and nothing will happen to it. This right here is the switch. So the switch is in the handle, you either on or off it. And also it will automatically trip off when the water is boiling. Since this is an unboxing video, I won't be showing how it works, but if you'd like to know how it works, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.